A woman has sparked intense debate online after opening up about her relationship she now describes as deeply unsettling. Instead of calling it love, she says she somehow found herself dating this man without ever having real feelings for him. According to her, the turning point came when she visited his home and met his mother. She says the atmosphere instantly changed. There was an uncomfortable tension, a cold exchange of energy, and she felt like she wasn't welcome from the moment they locked eyes.
I'm going to tell you a story of this guy that I used to date who is a witch, and he still thinks that I don't know. Yena le mme wa gae naba lawyer. Yes, naba lawyer and the sister. I mean, the whole family was like staunch believers of Christ and everything. So initially when I met this guy, I never liked him. He wasn't my type. He wasn't my types in terms of his stature, his complexion and everything. But Ukai managed to somehow lure me in. I don't know how. I found myself in a relationship with him. Seriously, I don't know how. Fine. And the relationship went on. I never called Ukai. He lied about his job and everything. And me, being Utinyuko that I know, I would have long broken up with him, but I didn't. Instead, I supported him and I was there for him. Fast forward. So now, we are in a relationship. And now he's doing everything that he can to show me that, babes, I've got you and wada. Sharp. How? Okay, now, this time I'm staying with my friend. And now we have to do the sleepovers and ton. So I go to Guy's house. When I go to Guy's house, I meet his mother. And immediately when I see this woman, I don't like her. She senses this because she was so cold towards me. But I didn't care Gesana because I wasn't there for her. Fast forward, isikhathi masihamba, she tries and warms up to me. So mina vele angimfili. But I'm just giving you the respect because umama ka boyfriend. Sharp. Fast forward, she invites me inside the house. I go inside the house. Guys, you won't believe what I saw. So I saw this other big pot. Guys, maybe I'm gonna zona. But there were things lapaya nubona nje ukuthi bokubiliswa lapaya. Kuphekwa even the smell of umuti. I kept quiet. Fast forward. This one time, I come and I visit there for a weekend. I wash my underwears, guys. I put my underwears on the laundry. Umamaki, awayehlise. Right? Mamaki awayehlise sewa dried. He tells me, Mama, mbuyehlise my underwears. I'm like, but why would your mom yehlisa my underwears? I'm not comfortable with that. He's like, hey, don't be like that. She takes you as her child. Wada, sharp. Fast forward, minuka ngimfili vele. Yabona, sengiyayenza nje. Yabo. Hi, okay. We are in a relationship. So Ukai asked me ukuthi ucela umntwana. And I'm like, dude, I don't want to have a child. Yabona. It's something that I have been telling myself. It's somebody that I really love. Somebody that even if I'm able to look at my child with so much love and comfort. Hi, Gabi, but Ukai wasn't cutting it for me. So, no, I didn't want anything that would tie us forever. So, I was honest and blunt about it. I think he didn't take it too well. My man. This one time, I'm sleeping at his house. And man noticed every time I'm sleeping there, my underwears I had a shake. I sleep at his house. Guys, I wasn't dreaming. I wasn't drunk. Being catted that day, but I was sober. So, and he was under the impression that I was drinking with my friends. But being a pussy guy, I was sober, like a judge. So, fast forward, as we are sleeping, guys, mang peto tongue, like, I zoom out, like, I die, but I can see everything, even when I'm not conscious, but I can see it's okay, this is what's happening. Ugai deliberately did not lock the door. So, ngalala nami, guys. So, ngulo muntu othi I sleep, but manglele too early, in the middle of the night, but I still keep my eyes closed. So, as we are sleeping, ngizwe umzimba wami like uyabanda kubanda amathumbu. You know when you are scared, mawuthukile kubande amathumbu, and my body is shivering, like, you know, inwele zami ziyabambana. I don't understand what's going on. Umzimba wami ube another thing nje ukuthi unganyakazi, you know. And I see the door, like I'm sleeping, but amehlo ngiwavulile kancane, and I can see the door uyavuleka umnyango, guys. Mawuvuleka umnyango, it was his mother. She was naked. Mangithi naked, I mean bath naked. Yes, bath naked. Mapuna puna. She opened the door. So I pretended to be sleeping. And ngiyamubona with her saggy body and everything. And she was carrying something. So asondele ngakule side engakulo mina, the side of the bed engakulo. And guys, I'm just pretending to be sleeping, right? And something in me was, because yes, you are good, we are sleepwalker, just pull a stunt so that she doesn't gobisa you with whatever that she's having. Did I not scream in my sleep? Did I not scream and I pretended to be having a night? Okay. Wasukuma ngespeed uma wakhe waphuma, and he turned on the light. And he was like, what's wrong? I'm like, did you lock the door? And he said, yes, I did lock the door. He's like, what? I'm like, I was having a terrible dream. I think I was having a terrible dream. I saw this woman who was half naked, but I couldn't see the face. And beng namanga guys, phela manje beng babonele, so beng sabu ukuthi what is going to happen if they really find out that I know what I know. So I said to him, I saw a woman who's half naked, but I couldn't see the face. And ngazuthi she was coming towards me. Ngathi umzimba wami ubungakhona ukunyakaza. And you will not believe what this motherfucker said. He said, you are just having a bad dream. It's a nightmare. Guys. And the following day, I couldn't keep this to myself. So I told a friend of mine, hey, dude, I am suspecting Guti Kabo Lobaya lawyer, and before I saw this and this and that and that. And Ungani told me to never go to that house again. But because I wanted to see what I wanted to see, I decided to go again. The way Nyin is bending a corner, I was left alone in that house. And guess what? I saw a bed. Yes, a bed. Until this day, I don't trust Izinyoni, guys. I saw a bed. It was standing FS3, guys. And this bed, ingibhekile uyayazi inyoni mawusondela phambi kwayo ushaya and ayibaleki. That one, it was looking at me. Mangithi ngiyohlala phansi, I could hear somebody calling my name, Nico, Nico, Nico. Ngiyazi ukuthi ayini ngicall, but oh well, I know what I saw and what I heard. I freaked out and I went to the window to look at this bed. It was igama lami. Ngayibheka guys, I swear. Those were human eyes. Those were human eyes. Did I not have isibindi? Ngabhekana nayo le nyoni emehlweni. Nyoni, I threw a paper. Nyoni yathula yangibheka. I went back to my friend and I told my friend this story. My friend said, Yazin, I suspect that there is something that this person has done to you and I'm going to help you. Umngani wami wenza kwenzeke. Guys, did I not? Guys, my friend made the things to happen. And did I not bamba ugai ngamawashing after a small misunderstanding? Ngamubamba. I am not promoting GBV, but ube ngiqhela kakubi. And it was because of the things that he's done to me that I was so aggressive to him. Ngamuthuka. But I didn't tell him that I know, because I was scared of what's going to happen to me at that time. He tried dating this other girl. So I think this girl is spiritually gifted, or somebody in her family. Bano. Lucky for her, they were able to pick it up before she even went far with the relationship. Girl, she inboxed me on Facebook, and she told me she saw a frog talking to a lizard in that house. And she says she confronted Ugai. And Ukai started telling people that Ukel uyahlanya. But Mina, I know that whatever that she was saying, inyani, because I've seen it all.
She eventually distanced herself from the relationship. Interestingly so, when the man tried to move on with someone else, that relationship also ended quickly, with the new women allegedly sensing early that something wasn't right. Now the bigger conversation online isn't just about witchcraft, it's about intuition, red flags, and what happens when you ignore your gut feeling. Was this something spiritual, psychologically, or simply a toxic situation? Let's unpack it down in the comment section. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.